Hey everyone, I am Arshit and you are watching Current Tech Arts English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today I will continue our generative AI series, and in this video I will discuss how to create a Math GPT, and this will be a tutor for helping you. So firstly I will create app.py. Then I will go to my previous project. Suppose essay generator. I will go here. And in my previous project of civil engineer, I will copy this file and firstly paste it in my Math GPT. Then I will go to code assistant. I will copy this app.py. Then I will simply go to my Math GPT and paste it. Now I will import Streamlit as ht, but here is a problem. We have to copy this file and paste it in Math GPT with replace the file destination. See guys, we have it. So here I will open my api.txt, read, just like this. Then Math GPT here also. So now it's like this. So I will open my Anaconda prompt and run this file. Streamlit run app.py. Spelling of Streamlit is wrong. This is Streamlit. So it will open in some seconds. Yeah. Let's see. It's opening. Now, suppose I ask, can you tell me the value of pi? It does not give the response. Yeah guys, it's giving. The value of I is mathematically constant as ratio circle circumference. It's absolutely this, but it is actual number. Let's see. Is there any other number like pi. Answer question pi is in one world. Let's set in one world. What is value of e? E is this. So now our Math GPT is also working, and we have created our Math GPT with very easily way. So that's it guys, this is an audio. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.